Grow your own superfood. How to plant and care for moringa trees. Imagine having a readily available source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants right in your backyard. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of moringa, a true superfood you can easily grow at home. Get ready to unlock the secrets to planting and caring for your very own moringa tree. Moringa, scientifically known as Moringa oleifera, is often called the drumstick tree due to the shape of its seed pods. This incredible tree is native to India and has been used for centuries for its medicinal and nutritional properties. It's a fast-growing and remarkably drought-resistant tree, making it a great choice for many climates. The amazing thing about moringa is that almost every part of the tree is beneficial. The leaves, pods, flowers, and even the seeds are packed with nutrients and offer a wide range of health benefits. It's truly a gift from nature. There are so many compelling reasons to grow your own moringa tree. Let's explore some of the key benefits that make it a worthwhile addition to any garden. You'll be amazed by its nutritional power and ease of cultivation. First and foremost, moringa is a nutritional powerhouse. It's incredibly rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and protein, making it a fantastic addition to your diet. Incorporating moringa into your meals can significantly boost your overall health and well-being. Moringa is an excellent source of essential nutrients like vitamin C, iron, and calcium. These nutrients are vital for maintaining a healthy immune system, strong bones, and overall vitality. It's a natural way to support your body's needs. Another great reason to grow moringa is its ease of growth. It thrives in warm climates and is relatively low maintenance, making it perfect for both beginner and experienced gardeners. You don't need a green thumb to successfully grow this amazing tree. Moringa is also incredibly versatile. You can use the leaves, pods, and flowers in a variety of culinary dishes. From adding the leaves to smoothies to using the pods in curries, the possibilities are endless. The seeds of the moringa tree can even be used to make oil, which is rich in antioxidants and beneficial for skin and hair. It's a truly multi-purpose plant that offers a wealth of benefits. Now, let's get into the practical steps of planting your own moringa tree. We'll cover everything from choosing the right location to starting from seeds. Get ready to get your hands dirty and bring this superfood to life. Choosing the right location is crucial for the success of your moringa tree. Moringa thrives in full sun, so make sure to select a spot in your garden that receives at least 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. This will ensure healthy growth and abundant leaves. Well-drained soil is also essential. Moringa doesn't like to sit in water, so make sure the soil drains well to prevent root rot. Amending the soil with compost or other organic matter can improve drainage and provide essential nutrients. You can start moringa from either seeds or cuttings. Starting from seeds is a common and relatively easy method. You can purchase moringa seeds online or from a local nursery. To speed up germination, soak the seeds in water overnight before planting. This helps to soften the seed coat and encourages faster sprouting. You can see here, I've got some seeds that have been soaking overnight, ready to go into the soil. Now, let's talk about the planting process. You have two main options, planting in a pot or directly in the ground. Each has its own pros and cons. Planting in a pot allows you to move the tree indoors during colder months, protecting it from frost. However, it may limit the tree's growth potential. Direct ground planting allows the tree to grow larger and more freely, but it's not suitable for colder climates. If you're planting in a pot, choose a large container with drainage holes. This will provide ample space for the roots to grow and prevent waterlogging. Fill the pot with well-draining potting mix. Plant the seeds approximately 1/2 inch deep in the soil. Gently cover the seeds with soil and water thoroughly. Keep the soil moist, but avoid overwatering. Regular watering is important, especially during the initial stages of growth. However, be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Fertilizing your moringa tree is also beneficial, especially during the growing season. Use a balanced fertilizer or a fertilizer specifically formulated for trees and shrubs. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package for proper application. Once your moringa tree is planted, proper care is essential for its continued health and growth. Let's explore some key aspects of Moringa tree care. These tips will help you keep your tree thriving and producing abundant leaves and pods. Pruning is an important part of Moringa tree care. Regular pruning encourages bushier growth and prevents the tree from becoming too tall. This makes it easier to harvest the leaves and pods. You can see here, I'm just trimming off some of the top branches. This will encourage the tree to grow outwards rather than just upwards. It also helps to improve air circulation and sunlight penetration. Harvesting the leaves and pods is one of the most rewarding aspects of growing Moringa. Harvest the leaves when they are young and tender for the best flavor and nutritional value. Simply pluck the leaves from the branches. Harvest the pods when they are young and green. They should be tender and easy to snap. You can use the leaves and pods in a variety of culinary dishes. Moringa trees are generally pest and disease resistant. However, it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids or caterpillars. If you notice any pests, you can treat them with organic pest control methods. Here are a few extra tips to help you succeed in growing your own Moringa tree. These simple steps can make a big difference in the health and productivity of your tree. Let's ensure your Moringa journey is a successful one. Protect your Moringa tree from frost. Moringa is sensitive to cold temperatures, so if you live in an area with frost, you'll need to take precautions. You can move the tree indoors or cover it with a frost blanket. Mulch around the base of the tree to retain moisture and suppress weeds. This will help to keep the soil moist and prevent weeds from competing with the tree for nutrients. Use organic mulch like wood chips or straw. Harvest regularly to encourage new growth. The more you harvest, the more the tree will produce. This will ensure a continuous supply of fresh Moringa leaves and pods. Growing your own Moringa tree is a rewarding experience that offers a wealth of benefits. From its incredible nutritional value to its ease of growth, Moringa is a true superfood that you can easily cultivate at home. We've covered everything from planting to caring for your tree, so you're well equipped to embark on your Moringa journey. Have you ever grown Moringa before? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. We're always sharing new and exciting ways to grow your own food and create a thriving garden. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check out these related videos and hit that subscribe button.